Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. So, class 6, your chapter number 4, advanced features of MS Word. So, student, last we completed this topic, two features of treasures in MS Word, track changes, features, adding comments, deleting comments, etc. So, student, now today we are going to complete this topic, inserting hyperlink in a document. So let's start this student topic. So student, in MS Word, hyperlink in a document. Previously you already learned this topic. Hyperlink help us to move quickly from one page to another by simply clicking on it. So a hyperlink may be in the form of some text or a pictures, mouse pointer. So the hyperlink may be in the form of some text or a picture. So staffs or students select the required text in the links group on the insert tab, then select the hyperlink button. After your window will open up the insert hyperlink dialog box. Then in the link to section, select existing file or a web page button. After you will select look in section, click any of these three buttons and select a file or a page, web page from the right pane, or enter the URL of the link file or a web page in the address box. Last, click on the OK button. The selected text will turn into a hyperlink. Now, next student features our. So now see in a MS Word student. So go to first of all insert tab. In the insert tab, you will see this is a column of a hyperlink. So hyperlink create a link to a web page, a picture or an email address or a program. So just click a hyperlink option. See, in your book already shown this dialog box, same as it is. So first is the links to insert hyperlink existing file or a web page. Then you can check this place in the document. Then create new document. Okay. So this is a dialog box of insert hyperlink. Okay. So this dialog box will be open in your insert tab. Okay, student, just try it and open it in inserting hyperlink in your document. Next student, about mail merge feature. So mail merge is a feature that allows us to merge document file containing standard text with a data source file containing data like names and addresses of the recipient. So create a multiple personalized copies. So the student mail merge procedure. So mail merge procedure, students, the main document file that has two types of file. First is a main document, then data source. So main document file that has a text that is common to all the letters or document. After data source file that contains data to be merged with the main document. An address list file is a data source that contains the address of your friends. So the procedure for mailing mail merge is very simple, and steps are, first of all, get the main document that contains the text to be sent to all the recipients. Then students creates a list of recipients that will be contain data of all the recipients. After you will go insert the data fields at the required location in the main document. Then merge both the document. The merged letter will be ready. So this is you can see this type of a procedure of a mail merge. Now doing mail merge, students. So steps procedure to create a mail merge document. Perform the following steps. First of all, open the document that you have to send to different people. Then open mailing tabs and click on the start mail merge button. After select the step-by-step mail merge wizard option from the drop down menu. So the mail merge task can appear on the right side of the Word window showing the steps of the mail merge wizard. Then student, in this mail merge group, first of all click mailing tab. In the mailing tab you will see start mail merge. Now start mail merge option you will click, choose this letter. Okay. Then select recipient type new list. Okay. So after you can see a new list appear in your screen. Clear, student? Now you can see a mail merge tabs. So first of all, this is a choose a letter. After you will click on next button. Step number 1 to 6. You will click on next button. Then you choose use the current document. entry in your book tabs to choose a current using existing file, type a new list. Okay. So let's start from the. Okay, just click. You will click type a new list. Okay, click type a new list and follow the and this next step. You will click a next step in this. Now see, new address list will be appear in your list accordingly. So now student, you will type the title, first name, last name, company name, address. All these details you will fill in properly in MS Word. Clear? After you will proper follow the all this procedure in MS Word. Then student, after you will follow the all this step in your book accordingly mail merge. Okay. Then student, then last student, you will follow the previewing the merge letter after steps. Follow all the steps. Step number 6, completing the mail merge procedure. Okay, students. Now, student, next check it first of all worksheet number first. So fill in the blanks. The dash feature help you to find synonym of a word, so it's a treasure. Second, when you turn on the dash feature, changes made to a document become visible alongside the original text. Is known as the track changes feature. After third, whether the track changes feature is on or off, so is also display on the dash means status bar. Fourth, dash is a file where the address of all the sections are stored in a data source. Fifth, student, the options to do mail merge lie in the dash tab means mailings tab. Now next, true and false, student, the treasure feature can be accessed from the view tab. First, false statement. Second, the letters created using mail merge cannot be printed. So false. Third, commands typed while tracking changes cannot be deleted. False statement. Fourth, hyperlinks can be inserted in a document from the insert tab. So true statement. Fifth, all the track changes disappear as shown as we turn off the track changes feature. So it's true statement. Now next, student, worksheet number 3, check in multiple choice question. First, which of the following tab has option to work with mail merge? So it's a mailing. 3 part is a correct. Then second, student, how many steps are there in the mail merge wizard? So it's a 6 step. Third, which group in the insert tab contains the hyperlink command button? So it's a links. Fourth, the process of merging address list with the main text to create multiple documents is called a mail merge. Now next, worksheet number 4, student, answer the following question. Which tab will you click to use the track changes feature? So it's a review tab. Then second, which tab will you click to insert a hyperlink in a document? Insert tab. Third, what do you call the mail merge file which contains names and address of the recipient? So it's a data source. Fourth, which features MS Word helps you to find synonym of a word? So it's a treasure feature. Fifth, name the feature of MS Word that is used to send the same letter to many people. So it's a mail merge feature. So student, just go through this topics and revise all this and complete your work. Okay students, class 6.